Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Tuesday, December 4th. Well, that number, December, that date, December 4th, should mean a lot to you. Halachically, that's the night that most years we switch over to saying the same Tal Umatar Livracha starting Tuesday night, the night of December 4th, in our Shemona Esreis. If you forget to say it, you must repeat the entire Shemona Esrei. If you don't remember if you said the same Tal Umatar Livracha or if you said the same bracha, like your old habit, because you spaced out in the middle of your Shemona Esrei, which is something that you should try to never ever do, then you're going to have to assume that since you didn't pay attention, you probably said your old habit, and therefore you'd have to repeat the Shemona Esrei. So it pays always to pay attention clearly to what you're saying to the Creator of the universe when you talk to Him. Concentrate and know if you said everything right and if you said the same Talamat Ali Bracha or not. So again, for the first 101 times that you say Shemona Esrei after the switch over, you'd have to assume that you're probably on your old habit, and if you didn't pay attention and don't know what you did, you probably did the wrong thing and you have to repeat Shemona Esrei. But here's the catch. You can change over your habit instantly by just saying it 101 times in a row. I don't think they have to be in a row, but the thing is, you say 101 times. Now, you don't just say V'sein Talamat Livracha, because that's nothing. You have to say it in a way that attaches it to your Shemona Esrei. So you take the couple of words before, and you do this 101 times. V'eskol minei svasa l'tava v'sein Talamat Livracha. That's one. That's called minei svasa l'tava v'sein Talamat Livracha. That's two. And if you do that 101 times, then your habit has switched over. Then you could assume that since your habit has switched over, you probably, if you don't remember what you did, you probably said what your new habit is because you switched it over halachically. So I would recommend that you do that starting on Tuesday night, so that any time you forget if you made the switch or not, you are allowed halachically to assume that you made the switch since you have switched over your habit. I keep saying 101 times. According to some, it can actually be accomplished with 90 times, but since some say 101, might as well just say it a few more times to get up to 101, and then you'll be quite certain that your habit switched over. If you know that you forgot to say V'sein Talamat Livracha, and you remember in the middle of Shemona Esrei, a few brachas later, you can still fill it in the bracha of Shema Kolenu, because in that bracha it naturally fits to ask for all other things, and you can make the request of the same Talamat Livracha, Ki ata shomea tefillah samcha Yisrael barachamim. Right there in that bracha of Shema Kolenu, you can make all kinds of inserts, and you can say right there, the same Talamat Livracha. You cannot do that for Mashiv Haruach, because Mashiv Haruach was a praise of God. It wasn't a request. Okay, thanks for logging on. If any of this was complicated for you, ask your rabbi. I just wanted to give you the basics. Now you know what to ask about. Thanks, and log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.